And see how it's coming together? From something that was nothing, it became something. And this is a heart shape that I love in particular when I come across it. And I wanted to bring it to life onto a wreath design. And the pieces were coming together during the process. I had to trim, I had to pray through it, I had to regroup and just come back and kind of piece it together as we went along. And this is a process that I thought of sharing the journey, and that each time you come back and replay this, that also it speaks to your heart. There was a lot of information I was getting, but this is something that the eyes of our heart, when I think of heart, I think of the heart of Jesus and his heart for you, and the reason he became man and flesh, died for you because of the heart of God. And that each time you see a heart, that you have a new perspective, a new sight, a new input, and that the eyes of your heart rejoice and are enlightened as you continue this journey of life, and that his glorious riches, which is an inheritance for all his people, the people who believe, and it's as easy as just accepting Jesus in your heart. How's the heart of Jesus? He's love. It's love. It reminds me of, and I'm paraphrasing, where love is patient and kind, does not envy, it's not rude, it's selfless, and it doesn't keep any record of wrong. And that's the heart of Christ. Discover, keep pressing through the heart of God so that your unique heart continues growing to your face to face with Jesus. And here's the final piece. A unique shape, and that is you, your own shape, your own heart, his heart for you. Be blessed, and thanks for watching.